Welcome back to another tutorial for the Cyberpunk 2077 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off the filters for graphic contents within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Cyberpunk on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you may continue playing from wherever you last left off or directly go into settings. Now within the settings page, navigate into gameplay from the top panel, and here you will find various options. Within miscellaneous, you will find the censor toggle at the third menu. If it is turned on, then a censor will be used to hide unsafe content. If you are live streaming or uploading your gameplay onto YouTube, then you will definitely want to turn this on. If you wish to enjoy the game without any censors, then you can tap on this button and set the toggle to off. This will disable all of the censors within the game, but it will also make it unsafe for streaming. After making your desired choice, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can then continue to play your game with your chosen censor settings. Now, if you are mid-game and you wish to change this setting, then you will not find this option within the gameplay panel. So you would need to save your game, go back to the main menu, and then change this setting once again. And that is how you can turn off the unsafe content censorship on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.